Good morning, everyone. Time now is 7:45. I got up a little bit late. The ideal time for morning walks are usually 6 o'clock, 6:30, even 5 o'clock. But I seem to be pretty lazy and laid back. I thought I would get up earlier, but no, it didn't seem to be that way. Nevertheless, and by the way, it's pretty hot now, pretty sunny. So when you get up in the morning and go for a morning walk, it is especially during the month of May, during summertime, the climate is pretty humid. It does get humid at times, pretty hot. And this is a nice tree. Flowers. Okay. So today I decided to take a different route. I won't go internal in the gardens, but towards the metro. So now I'm heading towards the metro, the metro side, and let's see how long I'll walk. I was listening to some music, the Scorpions. I'm a big fan of the Scorpions, the GNR, Guns N' Roses. Been listening to them from childhood, and I kind of like rock music. I love the unplugged versions too. Been a fan of Metallica, Deep Purple, Iron Maiden. Name the rock bands, just name it, and I'll tell you the names of each and every rock band. I will know the artists. I was so inspired in the college days by Slash that I started playing the guitar. But obviously I don't play so well like Slash. I play it to de-stress. I play it for fun. See the metro behind me. You know, at times it becomes very difficult vlogging, holding the camera and holding the camera on your left side of your hand and then walking and talking. It does become difficult. Actually difficult. So this is the new metro.
Your attention please. The train to Jebel Ali will depart from platform 1. Your attention please. The train to Expo 2020 will arrive at platform 2.
So this will directly take you to Expo 2020 site. I've never been there. It's been a long time. So I'm not going to go exactly directly inside the trains, metro trains, because I'm not traveling anywhere at the moment. But I'll definitely go inside the metro someday, just to show you all a glimpse of the new metro station. Not metro station, sorry, the new metro. This is the new metro station. So now I've come to the other side of the gardens. Oh, that's the exit. I went on the wrong way. So this is the other side of the gardens, and I got a lot of fog on my glasses. I'm not able to see properly. So the place where I showed you all before in my other blog was Garden Furnished Apartments. Look at the other side of the gardens. Pretty nice. One good thing about the gardens is that it's kept clean on a regular basis, and these are the guys that keep it clean. Entire location, the entire community over here is pretty nice, pretty decent. It's quiet. So this place is called Discovery Gardens. There it's called Garden Furnished Apartments. Now if I go this way, this will take me to the main road. That's what I'm guessing. In fact, I've not been this side of the place. This is the first time. The funny part of vlogging is that people just stare into your face and wonder, what are you doing? It seems to be pretty weird, but at the same time it's pretty funny and it's a lot of fun. That's the metro there. As usual, cars stop for you when you cross. They actually respect the guys who are crossing. There are a lot of people cycling in the morning. They usually always walk on that side of the place, and the gardens is over there. We see a lot of trees, a lot of you see a lot of bird noises. In fact, that side of the gardens they have the tennis court, the football field over there. So on a Saturday, a lot of people go to work on the, it's not really a weekend for them because they're working. So that's why you can see a lot of people, a lot of commuting on the roads, a lot of traffic commuting. So again, you see the zebras, you can cross, and the cars, taxis, scooters, the bikes, they will stop for you. I mean, they'll respect you. And those are the rules and regulations in Dubai. They follow strict rules, guidelines, which is a very good factor. It's extremely good. I wish the same rules of crossing could be, and giving respect to the person who's going to walk across the road could be given back in India. I wish that was there, but sadly no. In India, the biggest problem is that people are very, I won't say it's a problem, but people love to go fast, jaldi. So no one cares about the next person in India. But here in Dubai, everything is done according to rules, regulation, guidelines, which is very beautiful, which is very nice, and it should be that way. Nothing much to vlog actually this side. So that's it. You have all the restaurants. Now I'm back at on the samosa vlog, food vlog. That's a couple of years back. So you have a lot of restaurants on the other side. Clinics, pharmacies, different things. So that's it for now. Maybe the next video will be inside the metro, inside the metro train, maybe going from one place to another, just to show you on the journey experience inside the metro in Dubai. As for now, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Have a beautiful day. Take care. Peace. And great job to you guys again who clean Dubai, who make Dubai so beautiful. So I'm signing off. God bless. Take care. Be happy. Be cheerful. Be positive. Don't let negativity get into you and destroy you. Be positive. Be passionate what you love to do. Take care.